Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by stabilizing the watch face down on a soft cloth. This protects the crystal while you work. Use a spring bar tool to release the end link quickly, then locate arrow markings on the bracelet to find removable pins. Once found, push pins in the indicated direction using a pin pusher and a light tap. Make sure to collect pins in a small container so nothing gets lost. If the clasp has micro-adjust holes, note the current hole for later reassembly. You now balance the bracelet by removing equal links from each side of the clasp. That keeps the watch centered on your wrist. Once you pick a side, use a 0.5 to 1 mm pin pusher and a controlled tap to nudge pins partway out, then grab with fine pliers and pull straight to avoid bending. Once links are separated, check each link's collar and spring bar seat for dirt. A quick brush and wipe prevents binding when you reassemble the sections. You finish by lining up the link holes, inserting the pin from the non-arrow side, and tapping it flush so it seats solidly. Make sure arrows now point the proper direction for secure locking. Reattach end links and compress spring bars until they click into the lug, then test the clasp repeatedly to confirm tension and range of motion. If the bracelet feels tight or loose, adjust using the clasp micro-adjust or add/remove one link if a pin won't seat.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.